pretentious foodie bullshit. And he's going to show us how to cook some crusty little foodie dishes for you and all your household friends. Welcome back to the show, Ted.
Hey, thanks for having me, guys.
All right, so let's get started now. What sort of stupid, over-elaborate, fancy-ass meal are you going to make for us today?
Well, we're going to cook one of the very most pretentious dishes in my cookbook. It's a stupid-ass, trendy piece of fish coated in some kind of nut you've never heard of, served alongside a puree of baby something or other. Let's get started.
Okay, have at it.
First, it's very important to choose the most expensive type of fish you can find for some vague environmental reason that you can then pair it back to your faux intellectual gay wad dinner party guests.
Okay.
Now, I assume all these other ingredients are organic and locally sourced and all that bullshit?
Oh yeah, your dickhead friends think that's really important. So here we have some freshly ground cob nuts.
Cob nuts? Ooh, just the sound of that name makes me curious.
It is well,